Hello, welcome to I Teach, I Learn and welcome to 1 Minute of Montessori. I did tell you that we would be talking more about the sensitive periods, didn't I? So today is all about order. A very young child is actually very sensitive to order. A small change in their routine or their schedule or the things around them can actually disturb them quite a bit. Some of you would have noticed very young babies getting very disturbed if something that was always there is moved. It could be as simple as the mother wearing the shawl a different way, so that can really disturb them. For older children in the house of children, we notice that if something falls down, it is the children who run first, the smaller ones especially 2.5 to 3, they want to put it back exactly how it was. It doesn't really translate into a need for cleanliness, and it's more about fixing relationship between things around them. They want it to be set the way it is. Unfortunately, this sensitive period doesn't last long. Any sensitive period, if the time period is crossed, the learning doesn't happen really all that well. For example, the sensitive period of language, once you cross 6 years, it's very difficult to learn a new language and speak it fluently. I thought I could read a tiny little story from here, The Secret of Childhood, Dr Montessori's book. The children used the apparatus made for them, but it was the teacher who distributed it in her first house of children and put it back in its place. She told me that when she was doing this, the children got up and came to stand around her. She sent them to their seats, but they always came back. This happened many times, and she had concluded that they were being disobedient. When I watched them, I understood that what they wanted to do was to put the various objects back themselves on the shelf, and I left them to do so. Thus, a kind of new life began for them. To put things tidy, to tidy up any disorder, became an enthralling occupation. So, children in the house of children, in the primary environments, they put back the things themselves, and it becomes a routine that they actually want to do. So, actually, their sensitivity to order is what keeps the classroom the way it is. And we have to ensure that we don't make any drastic changes without their permission. So, bye!